Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be creating an armadillo, so let's get started. The first thing that we'll want to do is create a shape that looks like this. So we have a curved line, we come around, we go in a little bit, we come down, and we come back like this. It almost looks like a kidney bean shape. So that is going to be our armadillo's body. His head's going to come out right here. So we have a curved line down, a little bit to a point, and then we go back in. Let's make some ears for our armadillo. Come up with a curved line and come down. And then his back ear, same shape. Let's make a shape that looks like this. It's a curved line on the top of his head. And then let's create an eye. If you'd like to make a little smile, you can do that at this time. For his feet, we come down and then we create some toes and then we go back up. For his back foot, we come down, create some toes and then run kind of right into the front foot. For his back feet, come down, create his toes and then come up. And then the same for the back. Come down, create one or two toes, and then you'll hit the front foot in the back. Let's make a tail coming out from the back area, curved line and a curved line coming in. And then let's make his armor. So his armor is just going to be some curved lines. Notice I came in from his backside area. And now I'm just making some curved lines coming up from the back area to the front area. Almost all the way, but not quite. Just like that. Now our armadillo is going to be in the desert, so let's make a line. We're going across, we hit our armadillo, and then we just go like this. We jump over his body. Just like that. Now down here I'm going to make some rocks and maybe some small plants. So to make a rock, you make a straight line and then an organic line on the front, an organic shape this turns into. There's another rock, maybe a third rock. If you'd like to make some little bushes or plants, you can go ahead and do that right now. And then I think what I'm going to do is make some hills in the back. So I'm going to go above his body and I'll make a curved line and I'll stop and then I'll make another curved line. So it looks like a hill in the back. And then I'm going to make some nice fluffy clouds in the background, in the sky. And then if you'd like to make anything else, you can go ahead and do that now. It's up to you. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you next time.